Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best 4K action camera on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. EVIF BBW1160A 4K Action Camera. The EVIF BBW1160A 4K Action Camera has 2 recording modes: video and photo. Video mode is optimized to shoot video in 1080p at 30 fps 60 fps. In addition, you can select a variety of video resolutions to meet your specific needs. Photo mode is optimized to shoot photos in 12 megapixels. The camera's durable case is equipped with a waterproof rear case and an underwater case. This camera is capable of shooting underwater at a rated depth of 40 meters or at a maximum depth of 33 feet. The time and date can be displayed in the movie. This is a must-have for the serious videographer and for anyone looking for a high-quality product. For more information about the camera, please visit our website. EVIF BBW1160A 4K action camera has a screen that lets you see what you're shooting, and a remote control lets you focus and shoot from a distance. In addition, EVIF BBW1160A 4K action camera is waterproof, shockproof and dustproof, so you can rest assured that it can withstand extreme conditions. You'll love EVIF BBW1160A 4K action camera's fast and easy operation, which makes it easy to capture your next great adventure. You'll never have to worry about missing the perfect shot again. Number 4. Eken H9R 4K Action Camera. Eken H9R 4K Action Camera is the best choice for versatile and durable action cameras. No matter what your adventure, A's will always be there. Eken H9R 4K Action Camera is one of the best-selling action cameras. It is loaded with tons of smart features and delivers stunning image quality. It can deliver stunning detail, dynamic range and true-to-life colors. The built-in 170-degree wide-angle lens captures more of your world in every shot. Just press the on-off button and Eken H9R 4K Action Camera powers on instantly. Eken H9R 4K Action Camera lets you capture every moment in stunningly detailed 4K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to control Eken H9R 4K Action Camera from your smartphone or tablet. Eken H9R 4K Action Camera is waterproof up to 60 meters, so you can shoot great video and images underwater, too. Number 3. Gincerta JS0390 4K Action Camera. The Gincerta JS0390 4K Action Camera is high quality and portable for you to use. It is composed of high-quality material and allows you to shoot a variety of subjects in an easy way. The lens is suitable for GoPro Hero 10-9 Black action camera. You can have a wonderful time recording and shooting. In our daily life, it is very convenient for us to shoot different distances with our devices, but the only problem is the shooting effect is not so good. The 4K HD 15x macro lens for GoPro Hero 10-9 is designed to solve the problem. It is applied to the GoPro Hero 10-9 action camera, and you can shoot the details of the flowers and animals clearly. The lens has a focal length of 15 mm, and the maximum aperture is f2.8. The maximum magnification you can reach is 15x. You can shoot the object clearly. It is suitable for high-quality photo shooting and video shooting. The lens can be easily mounted on your GoPro camera. Number 2. QuickWin 4K Action Camera. This QuickWin 4K action camera is a high-definition action camera having a 4K ultra-high-definition camera. It is also waterproof up to 30 meters underwater. It is lightweight and can be easily attached to helmets and bicycles. It is a great hoverboard camera also. It is small and very portable. The camera is sturdy and durable. It comes with a powerful Mercro South Dakota card, a remote control with a screen and a strong lanyard for easy carrying. It is a perfect gift for your loved ones. This 4K action camera has a remote control screen that can make your life a lot easier without forgetting about all the features that made action cameras popular, like being waterproof and being able to drive record in all conditions. With this modular design, you'll be able to detach the waterproof case to use all the camera's features as a normal action camera. Its LCD remote control screen helps you see what you're recording. Number 1. SJCAM SJ4000 Air 4K Action Camera. SJCAM SJ4000 Air 4K action camera isn't just another action camera. It is specially designed to capture 4K video at a resolution of 30 fps and boast a 1.5 LCD screen to provide crisp, clear picture quality. 160-degree ultra-wide-angle lens lets you get the entire picture. SJCAM SJ4000 Air 4K action camera is also waterproof up to 32, shockproof up to 2 meters, and can withstand pressures of up to 66. SJ4000 is a kind of action camera designed for you to capture every moment of your life and make you enjoy the happy time all the time. Featuring a waterproof housing for both indoor and outdoor use and a 2.0 LCD screen to allow you see from different angles, it couldn't be better for your life decoration or record. It is a lightweight camera that is easy to carry. The SJ4000 is an entry-level camera with a great price, which you can use to shoot 1080p video and slow-motion video at 60 frames per second. Their rugged, waterproof case allows you to use the camera even in rough conditions like skiing, snowboarding, surfing or sailing. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.